Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So iOS 27 just started downloading on your iPhone and you want to stop it. Maybe you weren't ready for it, or maybe you want to wait for a more stable version. So whatever the reason, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So there are two stages here and they are very different. If the update is still downloading, you can stop it completely, no problem at all. The first thing you want to do is cut the internet connection immediately. Swipe down to open the control center and tap airplane mode here. Just make sure Wi-Fi is off too here so you are safe. But if your phone has already restarted and you're seeing the Apple logo with the progress bar, at this point there's nothing you can do. You have to let it finish. So the key is to catch it early. Now that the download is paused, do not try to restart your phone. If you restart and turn the airplane mode off, the iOS 27 download will resume again. So here's what you need to do. You need to go and delete the update file so it doesn't pick up where it left off the second you reconnect. So go to settings, tap general, then tap iPhone storage, scroll down until you see iOS 27 update file, which is here. Just tap on it, then tap delete the update. That's it, the file is gone. If you go back to settings, general, and software update here, now you should see the download and install button again, which means the update is no longer on your phone. Last thing, if you don't want iOS 27 downloading automatically again in the background while you sleep, go to settings, general, and software update, then automatic updates. Here toggle off automatic install, then toggle off automatic download. That way you are fully in control of when it happens. So that's the whole process. If it helped, just drop a like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next iOS 27 video. See you in the next one.